Now, let's answer this puzzle. M squared plus 3 equals 51. Uh-oh, there's an extra number. Let's get rid of that positive 3 first. Step 1, we subtract 3 from both sides. It means we only have m squared because 3 here will be removed, and that is equal to 51 minus 3, and that is equal to 48. Step 2, take the square root of 48. What times itself is 48? Not perfect, but we can say m is equal to positive or negative square root of 48. Or, if you're a math hero, the simplified form is m equals plus or minus 4 square root of 3. But for now, square root of 48 is good enough. Now let's proceed to the next problem.